Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this holographic multichrome mermaid scale inspired water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for the water marble are the same color clubs that I used for the labradorite water marble. First we have Frostbite, then there's Hooked. The next darkest blue is Rhythm and Blues, and then this kind of gold color is Cash Only. These are all multichromes, and they do have some different colors at different angles. And then for my base color, I'll be using Holo Taco One Coat Black. I went ahead and protected her on my nails using tape as well as liquid latex, and now I'm going to begin building my bullseye. As usual for water marbling, I am working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water, and I'm going to apply 2 rounds of the colors. The first round is just going to be single drops, and then the second round is going to be double drops. Once you've finished your bullseye, you can go ahead and draw up to the top, then down to the bottom. We're going to be starting this one just like the labradorite by beginning with a series of very tight chevrons to look like stripes. Once you've finished the stripes, go in at an angle and draw petals that are going to be representing the scales. So sometimes drawing in the water can pull the design more to one side than the other. I'm actually going to pull it a little bit this way by dipping in and pulling. That'll also stretch out the scales a little bit more. I'm going to be dipping my nails 2 at a time. For this, I'm going to be dipping my index and middle finger, and I'm just going to try to line them up as straight as I can into the petals. So, line up and dip. With my orange stick, I'm going to go ahead and clear off the excess. Don't want that to stick on top of your design. And once the surface is completely clear, you can go ahead and pull slowly out. Ooh, saw that bubble pop and release a little bit more polish there. Be sure to clean that out. Then pull out slowly, and there are the mermaid scales. Gonna go ahead and use a tweezer to help remove my protection. Just grab the tape on one side, pull around, and then pull off, hopefully, sometimes the latex will come with it, sometimes the latex comes separately, but you can go ahead and peel that off. Once I've marbled all my nails, I'll be going in and doing closer cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. these colors do seem really prone to bubbles. What I'm going to do before I go any further is just to, with my orange stick, go ahead and press them down as flat as possible to get rid of all the air, and that should prevent them from popping, which would leave a hole where the base color would show through. I decided that these mermaid scales needed a little bit more sparkle, so I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of the scattered Holo taco. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how it turned out. The story behind this, just a little short story, is that when I was testing, the stripes and the scales were both so cool that I could not decide between them, and so I decided to just do both. I think the Holo on top, while it does obscure the water marble just a bit, helps to differentiate this one from the labradorite, and also Holo seems to go with mermaid just as well as these colors do. If you would like to check out the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube in the next few days. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.